Okay, now we will discuss question number 5. Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. So Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. Suppose if Shobhu's is x, her mother is 6 times. So it will become 6x. Okay. Now I think this point is clear that Shobhu's mother present age is 6 times Shobhu's present age. If Shobhu's is 6x, then her mother is what? 6 times her age. So it will become 6x. So if Shobhu's age is x years, then her mother age will be what? 6x. Now the next thing is Shobhu's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now means after 5 years. After 5 years, suppose if you all are 10 years old, then after 5 years you all will be what? Suppose if you are 10 years old. If I will say 5 years from now. So I will add 5 years. If you all are 10 years old now, then after 5 years you all will become what? 15, because I am adding 10 plus 5. Okay. So now the next thing is, first thing is clear that Shobhu's mother is 6 times her age. So if Shobhu's is x years, then her mother is 6x. Then next thing is Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Now mother's present age is 6 years, is 1/3. 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are the present ages? We have to find out. So we will see how we can solve this question. Okay. So I am writing the solution of this question. Okay. Now let Shobhu's present age be x years. Suppose I have taken Shobhu's present age be 6 years. Okay. Then her mother present age be 6x years. Why I am writing 6x years? Because if Shobhu's present age is x years, her mother is 6 times of her age. Suppose this is her age, so her mother is 6 times of her age. So the present age of Shobhu is x years and her mother present age is what? 6x years. I hope this is clear. Now the next thing, what is given in the question, Shobhu's age 5 years from now. Now Shobhu age is x. 5 years from now. Already I have discussed, suppose if you all are 10 years old, then after 5 years you will become what? 15. So whatever age Shobhu is there after 5 years, that is why I have added plus 5, because we are talking after 5 years. So Shobhu's next thing is Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of her mother's present age. I hope the equation is clear. Shobhu's age after 5 years is equals to 1/3 of her mother present age. So her mother present age is 6x. We will multiply with 1/3 because it is given in the question, is equals to Shobhu's age after 5 years. This is given in the question. One more time I will discuss. Shobhu's age 5 years from now. Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of her mother present age. I hope the equation is clear. If the equation is clear, now we can proceed further. So this will be x plus 5. Now this will be 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 1s are 2 and x is there. Now what I will going to do, 5 I will keep it here, 2x I will write here. This x from LHS, when it moves to RHS, it will become x. So 5 is equals to 2x minus x is what? X. Now already I have discussed this thing also, that 5 equals to x, or we can write x equals to 5. I have explained this also, how we can solve it. This is what 5 is equals to x. This is RHS, this is LHS. When RHS value moves to LHS, it will become minus x is equals to, when LHS value moves to RHS, it will become minus 5. So minus minus will cut. So x will become 5. That what I have written here. So the value of x is what? 5. Okay. Now, since x is equals to 5 and x was what? Shobhu's age. So present age of Shobhu is equals to x is equals to 5 years. So the age of Shobhu is what? 5 years. Now we will find the present age of her mother. So present age of Shobhu's mother is equals to 6x, because her mother was 6 times of her age. So 6 multiplied by x. The value of x is what? 5. So I will write 5 over here. 6 5s are 30 years. So the present age of Shobhu is what? 5 years, and her mother present age is what? 30 years. Okay.